The absolute value of x is equal to 9. Now if you think about absolute value and what you've already known about absolute value and what you've learned in earlier concepts, which values are possible for x? We know that we need the end result to be 9. Well, the absolute value of negative 9, let's put those absolute value bars around it, is 9, because negative 9 is 9 units from 0. And we can say the absolute value of positive 9 is also 9, because a positive 9 is 9 values from 0. So we can say that when we're working with absolute value problems, that there are two possible answers. Now let's apply this. X minus 5 is equal to 12. We want to solve this and figure out what x is. Let's use the inverse operation, just like we did with equations and inequalities. We're going to add 5 to both sides to do this. This cancels, but we still have the absolute value of x here. That's equal to 12 plus 5, which is 17. Now we want to figure out x to make this a true statement. Just like you did on the first screen, the absolute value of negative 17 is equal to 17. And the absolute value of positive 17 is also equal to 17. So we can say that x is equal to positive 17 and x is also equal to negative 17. Either one of these would make a true statement. These are the solutions that we're looking for. Let's look at another one. The absolute value of 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. Now let's solve this again, just like we did on the other screen. Subtract 2 from both sides. Bring down everything we haven't worked with yet. The absolute value of 3x is still left. 17 take away 2 is 15. Now, solve it like a one-step equation. Divide both sides by 3. We have the absolute value of x is equal to 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Now we want to make this a true statement. You might already know what the answer is. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to negative 5. The absolute value of 2x minus 4 is equal to 12. Let's use the inverse operation. We add 4 to both sides. We're going to solve for x. These cancel. Bring down the absolute value of 2x. We haven't worked with it yet. Is equal to 16. Now we can divide both sides by 2. And we have the absolute value of x is equal to 8. Again, now we can write a true statement. We can write x is equal to 8 and x is equal to negative 8. This is our two solutions for our problem.